We were asked recently, what does a catalytic converter do? Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Certified Master Technician. First of all, I want you to know I am not a chemist, so I will just tell you what a catalytic converter does based on my understanding. We have essentially three emissions, three gases that are harmful to us that we're trying to clean up. We have hydrocarbons, which is HC, we have carbon monoxide, which is CO, and we have NOx, NOx, which is oxides of nitrogen. So basically what a catalytic converter does is it takes all of those H's, those C's, those O's, and those N's and breaks them all up and mixes them back together, and we end up with CO2, which is carbon dioxide, H2O, which is water, and that's why you see a lot of steam out of your exhaust, especially in the winter time. And then nitrogen is 79% of the air we breathe anyway. So that's a basic explanation of what a catalytic converter does. It basically takes harmful gases, mixes them up, and makes gases that aren't so harmful so that we reduce the emissions coming out of the car. I hope this has been informational for you, and thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.